We do not endorse these practices.
Let's go get Mama in the milkshake.
Come on,
Gotta
come
walk.
get it. Go walk.
Gotta
Come
walk.
here. Oops.
Nice and easy. Let's walk to her.
Come on.
She's going for the
Up
milkshake.
here, come on. Up here. Oh,
Oh,
almost.
almost. Here, let's try a couple more steps.
Try again. Good job.
Good job.
Yay, and then you get your drink of milkshake. Good job.
All right, let's try it again.
Alright, do it again.
Leave Mama's shirt on while she's on camera.
Okay, walk to Mommy and the milkshake. Oh, good job, honey. Yay, and here's your drink of milkshake.
Yay!
This is how we get her to walk.
That lady loves milkshakes.
Alright.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Come on.
Come on. I hope we're in the camera.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, do it again. Come here.
She's running to it.
Oh, goodness. There you go. Good job. This needs to be gone soon.
Yeah, let me have some.
Let you have some.
I will help eliminate.
No, I'm drinking it. I'm not done with it. I just mean for her sake.
Yeah. Hi, milkshake. Okay,
job,
let's try
honey.
to get one more walk out of her.
Allison's first steps
Ready? Okay.
were for milkshake.
Whoa!
Come on.
Don't crawl. Gotta walk.
We gotta walk to the milkshake.
She's just so
It's
excited. Oh,
Gary.
there's Gary. Alright.
Come on. Come on. Oh, honey. Oh, honey, that was
That was
wonderful.
the best walk, yay!
Good job.
Just finish it, sweetie.
You can have the whole thing.
She's waiting.
Good job, baby girl. Wow. Look at her. Careful. Oh, good job. Come on. All right. Allie, I'm so proud of you. That's awesome.
Good job, sweetie.
Dada.
Can you walk to me?
To Dada? Okay, go get him.
Oh, Daddy didn't catch.
Almost. Come on. Walk to Daddy. Whoops,
Come on.
Gotta get you steady. Okay. Wait. Hold on to this. Get yourself all steady. Now, come here. Come here. Good job. Ah! I'm so proud of you. What a big girl. You're so excited.
Oh, that's so good, sweetie.
That's so good. Yay.
Yay!
Yay. Okay, stand over there again. Come here. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, Mommy's gonna cry. Look at my baby. Look at my baby walk. Oh.
She's like, I need something to put myself up on. Now do some more walking.
Okay. There. Okay. You want to stand up first? Here, stand up over here first. She's like, I just want to do it.
She does.
Chew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, Mommy's backing up. Here, you stand there. Now, walk to me over here. Come here. Come on. Hi. Whoa. That's so good though.
Here, put her on the sofa
Good.
here, and then come sit over here by me.
Okay, let's go over here. Stand up. You gotta do it first. Okay, come on. Whoa. We're so excited. Whoa, she's so excited.
Gotta focus.
Okay, stand up first.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
She's like, look, Gary, I can walk now.
Gary's like, I don't care. Look how uninterested I am.
Hi, Gary.
Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here. Cat Okay, hold on. Okay, come here. Whoa. Ready? Okay, get silly first.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi there.
Come on. You're a little excited. Stand up on this first and get yourself stable. Okay. No, hold on. Hold on like you used to. She's so excited.
I know. Oh.